Welcome to Lit Soundboard, where stories speak and literature comes alive. The Sounds of the Birds at Noon by Dahlia Ravikovitch. Dahlia Ravikovitch's poem captures the fragile moment of stillness. Birds sing at noon, indifferent to human pain, conflict, and sorrow. Their sound is calm, uninterrupted, and strangely comforting. The poet listens, aware that the world continues despite personal and collective suffering. The birds do not offer solutions or explanations. Instead, they represent endurance, life moving forward even when humans feel frozen by grief. The poem suggests that nature does not share our anxieties, yet it remains present, offering a quiet form of companionship. Ravikovitch uses this contrast to explore emotional isolation. The peaceful sound of birds highlights the speaker's inner heaviness, yet it also becomes a reminder that beauty and pain coexist. Even in moments of despair, the world still sings, inviting us to keep listening.